Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Bybit from bank account. So if your country is supported for fiat deposits, you can deposit money from your bank account into Bybit. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's address bar, type down bybit.com and enter it. And make sure you have already created an account and logged into it. And next is you need to go to this assets here in the top right corner. And from the assets, you need to click onto this deposit. So from here, you need to choose your currency as well, such as USD or EUR, and select the bank transfer under here. Select this deposit USD, transfer top-ups via bank transfer. So over here, you can select the fiat amount that you want to deposit. And in order to do that, you need your identity verification here. Make sure you have already verified account and you need to follow the on-screen instruction. Transfer your money from your bank account using the banking details provided by Bybit and make sure the bank account is in your name and matches your verified Bybit account. And wait for the transfer to be processed and fiat deposits are typically credited within a few business days. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.